No amount of money could ever take me away from you, and no amount of money ever will. I'm here because you love me, I'm here because I feel the thrill. I want to be the best part of me when I'm with you. I want to show my love would kill.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Tato and I look crusty AF. It's currently 1 o'clock. I'm starting this vlog very late simply because, guys, I'm going through the most. I'm going through hell. Also, I have pimples. I don't understand what's going on in jail with me. So I just want to show you what I took, because I feel like kenali nyoko, you know. I just drank. I couldn't even film myself because wow, yo, this thing is shabamu here. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but apparently it helps with gout, arthritis, fibroids, diabetes, skin problems, migraine, insomnia, whatever, HIV. Helps to purify the body and to boost the immune system. Guys, I drank this. Let me show you proper. I drank this thing. I don't even know how to pronounce it. It is so ugly. Inale alu. Yo, but it's bittersweet but healthy. So today the plan is just TMI, but I'm sorry, the plan is just to go to the toilet for the day. Guys, I don't know what's going on, or maybe I need to do my hair, then I'll look better. So I'm planning on doing like cornrows with my own hair, but I'll see. My sister-in-law promised that she's gonna come tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Sunday, so she promised that she's gonna come, obviously to fetch the kids. So I think I'm gonna hijack her and ask her to do my hair. Also, I wanna go to the mall, but I don't wanna take taxis. Guys, I have a problem with taxis, and I feel like Uber, it's just way too expensive for no reason, honestly. Like, what? But I'll see. I'm having doubts. I want to buy a palette. I saw this palette on AliExpress, but I was on YouTube and viewing people's reviews, you know, on AliExpress and shipping and stuff like that. I also had a problem, not really a problem, but they took forever to deliver 2 things, guys. So I think that was because the shipping was free, so it takes forever to get to South Africa. But I'm thinking of buying a palette. I saw Kiamo review the palette that I want. I want to buy that palette, the same one that she was reviewing on her channel, but the thought of it getting here after Mandela rising from the dead, but I'll see. So yeah, I'll just see what this vlog has in store. I have quite a number of things that I want to do, honestly. I need makeup brushes, I need brushes, but that's the reason why I want to go to China more, because I've been seeing them on AliExpress, right? But the shipping is 1,000 rand for the brushes, 100 rand. I'm like, I'm not gonna do that to myself. So yeah, guys, I have pimples. I was vomiting at 2 a.m. I was like, what the fuck is going on? What the is going on, you know? So this is why I decided to drink this thing. Please screenshot it if you have diabetes, you have fibroids, you have whatever. If you're sick or you wanna, you know, guys, I don't even know where they bought this thing. I'll check in with you guys when something happens. Honestly, I think the next clip is just gonna be me with a new hairdo, or me going to China Mall if I do decide to go, you know. So now I'm just doing the laundry, I'm washing the dishes. I hate dishes. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog. If I don't come back and say bye. Good morning guys. Morning. So today it's a Monday and welcome to another day of the vlog. Yesterday my sister-in-law came and they took the kids. Also she did my hair. It's just cornrows guys, it's just cornrows for my wigs. Obviously I look so weird with cornrows, like I don't get used to me looking like this, but it's fine. This is just for wigs. Yeah man, happy new week. I know when this vlog is it's gonna be like maybe a Thursday or something like that, but it's fine. I just wanted to tell you guys that I finally decided not to go to China Mall anymore, because I feel like it doesn't make sense, you know, to go to China Mall and buy brushes that I can get from Takealot. And I feel like they are better and cheaper at Takealot. Takealot is having a sale. I saw this on Saturday, and then I told my friend about it, and I said we must order and buy so that we can get free delivery, because if you're buying for over 450, that's when you get free shipping. So they said they're gonna deliver. I know that's right. Must I weigh them? Okay. Ow. Aspuse. Oh, better. So I was saying before I was disturbed, I'll definitely show you when the brushes get here. I also bought something else. I can't remember because I just wanted to add up on the 450 mark, you know. Something is smelling. It smells like a heater. Let me go switch it off. Okay, so yeah, that's basically what I wanted to update you guys on. And yeah, now I'm just gonna go and make breakfast for my baby. Like, he eats so late. This is his times. It's 11. He eats breakfast at 11. If you give him something at 10 or at 9, he's not gonna finish it. So it's gonna be a waste. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe guys, stay safe. Also yesterday the president was talking and he opened up a bit in terms of restrictions and stuff like that. So this thing is burning. What's going on? The president opened up a bit, so meaning we're gonna start going to church now. So I'm gonna have to go to the mall and buy a few things for my son. Like, I'm one person who buys things when I need them, you know. I buy something when I need it. I don't just buy things. Honestly, I'm that person. Even with my baby, I don't just go to the mall and buy. No. If I know that he now has enough, let's say jeans, I'll go and buy jerseys, or I'll go and buy the keeper, you know. I buy things that he needs. I don't just buy him things. I don't want him to grow up knowing, oh no, Mamaka will just buy. No, I want him to know that we buy things he needs. Okay, so hey guys, it's still the same day and I'm still in my gown. Yes, it's now 2:10. I don't know, this thing that I drank on Saturday, I feel like it's still working. Like, I feel like it's still in my system. So it's just making me feel down. It's just making me feel so sad. But it's fine. I'm not gonna go and take a shower, and then I wanna go komakuleng and buy the hair food that I want. I've been trying to get it from Clicks or from any other shop. I haven't seen it in the longest. I only saw it komakuleng. So I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna go there and get the hair food. Oh, mala aga. This thing, guys. I know it's helping me, but why intshwarisa mala bohloko so? So yeah, I'm now just watching Bibi Okay. I love her content, and I'm watching her recent vlog. Yo, her music is so nice. Yo, her music is very nice. I DM'd her the other day and asked her what she was using for editing and stuff like that. She's so nice. Like, she will respond. One thing about her, she will respond to your DM. She's not like one of those YouTubers yet really the subscribers, you know. So yeah, also, oh guys, it's still a bit cold outside, but it's not as bad as the past few days. Honestly, it's getting better. So let me go and take a shower and then go komakuleng. Oof, mala aga. Okay, so I'm at the garage. I accompanied my husband to pour some petrol. I just saw the mole that I was supposed to go and get my parcel. It's burned. It is burned, guys. Chill, like it's burned. Also, there's a line there, but I can't. But she said the king, but she said Teller, but she said the ATM. Wow, I already tell. Oh,
the dishes to
kala ine kana.
in the house to my son. How does culture
Anyway, that line ke batho ba lo rekang because ba chisitse the mall just here. Chisitse the mall. I'm gonna show you guys now when we leave.
How long will we go on with this? Yeah.
Okay, so I went to komakuleng and I got the hair food I was looking for. This is the hair food I wanted. Style and image hair food. I've been looking for this hair food. I've been looking. Apparently, it's not sold like go to shop anymore. I don't know why, but yeah, I got it. I'm happy, and I got these. Got snakes. They're not even snakes. They are crocodiles, and these ones. These sweets are gonna be the death of me. Also, people are so stupid. Like, people are so dumb. They burned down their shopping center, so now they're stuck go garaging just to withdraw money. Like, people are so stupid. People are so dumb. Now ke ba le ba eme line nngwe e telle e hlanyang just to withdraw. Wow. Anyway, that's it for today. So my Takealot order is gonna be here tomorrow, and I just saw that I put in the wrong address, but I think they're gonna call me and then I'll rectify that, because I don't know who was doing our map. He is dumb as fuck, Len, because there are two streets with the same name, and I put in the wrong Dikwading. So I'm like, it's whatever. But I hope they're gonna call me so that I can try and rectify that. And they're not far apart from one another, so It's not gonna be a train smash. I don't want to have an incident where I have to now go and fetch my parcel, go pick up point. I don't want that. I want my parcel to come here. And also, in my last vlog, I mentioned that I was supposed to get a parcel from Pep. You saw in my clip, in the clip that I showed you, that the mall I was supposed to go and fetch my parcel from is looted, it's burnt. So I got a message. They said it's safe, the parcel is safe, but now they need to figure out another destination or another Pep where they can deliver the parcel to. Then I can go and fetch it from there. So I'm just waiting on that. I don't think I'm gonna get it now. Like, I think I'm still gonna wait. My hand, but yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, you will see what I was waiting for. You will see what I was waiting for. Basically, you will see the parcel that I'm gonna get from Pep. So yeah guys, I will check in with you maybe tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow, because it's already late. It's like 5:30. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi.
Hey Tato, how are you, mommy?
Kita mo guys?
Good, good.
I'm good.
Sorry for waking you up so early.
No problem. Thank you. Sharp. Location. Huh? Morning guys, welcome to another day. As you guys saw in my previous clip, my Takealot order is here. So I just want to quickly show you what I bought from Takealot. I know I told you that I bought brushes, but I want to show you the type of brushes I bought. And yeah, let me show you. Okay, I'm too lazy to take out my tripod. But obviously we have the box, and then this is the inside. So I bought 3 sets of brushes. This is the first pair. This was 140. They were on sale. No, not 140. They were 120. These were 120. Then these ones, it's the same brush, just in a different color. These were 140. Then remember when I said I didn't know what I added just to make the 450? This is what I added. The camouflage, the Essence camouflage matte concealer. This is what I added just to make the 450 mark. It's in the shade light rose. I hope you guys can see that. It's in the shade light rose. So yeah, that's what I bought from Takealot. Yeah, that's what I bought from Takealot. I'm gonna wait for my friend to come and pick up hers. I think I'm gonna test these brushes today. Like, I'm gonna do my makeup today. Let me open one and feel how they feel. So this is how they look outside the plastic thingy. They are brushes, honestly. They're just brushes, nothing special about them. They're just brushes. Oh my god, I didn't want these type of, like, I didn't want this type of brushes for eyeshadow. I wanted the fluffy ones. Like, I played myself, but it's fine. The reason why I bought these brushes, to be honest, was because I wanted the ones that you use to blend your eyeshadow. Oh my god. So this is how these ones look. These were 140. I think they were from 300 or something like that. I don't know. Thing is, I've never had like these type of brushes, and I've seen a lot of people hype them up, but we're gonna see how they do. And yeah, it's the same thing, just in a different color. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here, or let me call my husband and hear what he has to say. If we're gonna go to the mall like this week, then I'm not gonna end the vlog here. But if he says we're gonna go maybe next week or something, then I'm gonna have to end this vlog here. Okay, so I'm done getting ready, and yeah man, I look so good. It's now 3 o'clock. My husband should be here any minute. I've decided that we're gonna leave the baby because he's sleeping. So honestly, I'm not about that life. I'm not about to wake him up and make him moody and then so yeah guys, we're not gonna go far. Let me show you my outfit before we head out. Lighting yakamo. Anyway, please never mind the dirty mirror. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing basic. I'm just wearing a dress with my ngemishas. I love these shoes. So this is my outfit. Please never mind the mess and the dirty mirror, but
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Ding. Oh, babe, ke tse le hodimo kwa. Earbuds. Ngiyahle ngiyakhohliza labantwana. Ngicela bafakele.
All Star. I wish I could call you, see my pizza. So, I can't rush the KFC. Okay, sponsor a So we bought 2 All Stars. Lunchbox All Star. And this is what it looks like. The YouTubers, they're so good. This is what it looks like. It has a burger. Not really a burger, but something like a burger. Like in a bun. It's called a crunchy what? This burger, it's very small. But it's a crunch burger. Crunchy burger. 2 zinger wings and then 1 big piece of chicken. Yako KFC. It comes with a mini Coke. Hey guys, so we are back from the mall and it's 7 o'clock. So I just want to quickly do a mall haul. The reason why I went to the mall was for my baby. We started off at Game and we bought, they had a special on these Huggies nappies. You were getting 2 jumbo packs for 350, then one was 180. Then we got 2 of these teeth brushes, 27 rand. I got these Dove pure cotton pads. I had run out of these. 32 rand, really? Wow, they were 33, not even 32, 33 rand. And then we bought this. Oh, that was 40 bucks. Then we bought earbuds, 13 rand. And then I bought these razors. I prefer using razors instead of like using creams to shave because I just prefer my razor nje. Bought the toilet spray. It smells fine. Then we got my baby's what do you call this, baby wipes. I don't really care about the wipes, like for ke huggies or ke pampers or ke the wipes. And then I bought these Purity pouches. They had a special of 5 for, was it 75 rand? Yeah, they had a special nyana. Ooh, let me loosen this thing. So I saved 5 rand. Also got gave me, we bought some tissues. Then Edgar's. If you know me, you know Renkasi Molling and not go to Edgar's. And they had a sale on makeup. They had a sale on their foundation and some eyeshadows. But I don't like just buying. I said this. I don't just like spend. I'm not a fan of spender. So I didn't buy anything for myself. I went to Edgar's to go buy something for my kid. And I did that. I'm proud of myself. So let me show you what I got for him. I bought him these, what do they call them? 2-pack mint gray cotro. This is how they look. Nothing much to them really. It's just cotro. I bought these. They were 109 and then Baditeosa to 70 bucks. I got him this hoodie. It was 100 rand and then by two, so it's like 80 rand. And this is what it looks like. It's just a basic hoodie, honestly. Then I bought him these 2-pack joggers. Ooh, these are nice. These were picked by his dad. And they are nice. These are just the joggers. I love these ones. Well, I love gray, but I love these ones better. And these were 90 rand from 150. Then I got him, what do they call this? But it's one of those tops, tsenkaring the polo neck, but they aren't really polo necks. You know, these types. I got him 2. They were 90 rand initially, then but it dropped to 70 bucks. So I got it in blue and gray. I was looking for shoes. I didn't find nice shoes. I don't know whether it's the Edgar's that we went to or like Vele Edgar's. Yeah, that's it, guys. I didn't get shoes. I was so mad. I'm still mad. I think I'm gonna go again because they're having a red hanger sale that's going on. I don't know until when. Oh no, man, why am I torturing myself? Yes, guys, if you have watched this far, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm gonna go back, go Edgar's for shoes for my baby. Yeah, no, I'm tired. Also, I need to take off this makeup. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you've watched this far, thank you so much. Your support, guys, it's highly appreciated. I will see you in my next video. Yeah, bye.